In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to color code events in Google Calendar. By the end, you'll be able to assign clear, consistent colors to your events so your schedule is easier to scan and prioritize at a glance. Start by opening Google Calendar in your web browser and making sure you're on the calendar where your events live. Any view works, day, week, or month, but week view gives you great context, especially if you're comparing different types of events side by side. Click the event you want to organize. A small preview window will appear with basic details. This is just a quick view. To apply a custom color, you'll use the full editor so your change sticks. Click the edit button, represented by the pencil icon, to open the event page. In the editor, look for the color control, usually a small palette or droplet icon near the top of the page next to the event title or other options. This color sets the appearance for this specific event and won't affect your entire calendar, which is helpful when you want fine-grained control. Select the color that fits your system. For example, you might reserve blue for meetings, green for personal tasks, purple for deadlines, and red for urgent items. Choose shades with good contrast so text remains readable, and keep in mind that your choice will carry across views and devices, including mobile. If you're color coding all-day events, pick stronger colors so those banners stand out along the top. When you're satisfied, click Save. If the event is part of a recurring series, you may see a prompt asking whether to apply the change to just this event or to the entire series. That's normal. Choose the option that matches how you categorize your calendar. If you don't see the edit option, you may be a guest or lack permission for that event, and you'll need the organizer to make the change. Repeat these steps for your other events until your calendar reflects a clear, consistent color legend. Consistency is the secret. Use the same color for the same type of activity every time so your brain quickly recognizes the pattern. If you share a calendar, align on a simple scheme so everyone interprets colors the same way. A few quick tips as you go: limit yourself to 5 to 7 colors to avoid clutter, use bold shades for high priority items, and consider colorblind friendly combinations like blue, orange, and purple. That's it. Open Google Calendar, click an event, edit it, choose a color, save, and repeat. Enjoy your cleaner, color-coded calendar and the time you'll gain from faster, clearer planning.